Alright guys, so part 4 of the Amazon bike build. I think this is part 4. We got a replacement tire for the rear tire. We got some tubes. We got spray paint this rear tire because it has rub marks from the rims brake. And we also have grips. And that's pretty much going to conclude this build, other than giving it a bath and testing it out and fine-tuning the shifting. It's almost there, but we'll get it. I'm not the best at adjusting that stuff, so let's get at it. Cleaned her up, just gonna spray her down with some Rust-Oleum, black. Well guys, there she is. She's all finished, other than some adjustments, little zip ties and stuff, and getting the cockpit just right, you know, little things, adjusting the brakes. That's pretty much it. Amazon bike build. I'm gonna leave the list of all the stuff that I used down in the description, but yeah, I'll do probably gonna do a little breakdown of what I used, how much it costs, and if it's worth it, or what I'm gonna do with the bike, if I'm gonna keep it, sell it, I mainly got it because I wanted something for exercise and for something to ride around town. And I don't care that's thousands of dollars that can get stolen. I mean, this wasn't super cheap build, but it was a cheap build because I use Amazon parts. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one later.